It's normally in a skewer, but today it's in a pie. Does chicken satay pie on Does It Pie? Chicken satay pie. Let's see how this goes. I think this is a winner. Chicken satay pie. It's looking delicious. Smells peanutty, which is what it's meant to. Still really juicy. I'm excited to taste it. Oh. This is wicked. Imagine it with like some steamed greens. Yeah, you don't need any rice or mash with anything with this because the pastry is sufficient. It's really rich as well. But I think it's delicious flavours in a pie. Join us next week. Find out if it pies. See you soon.